Good morning, children. Welcome to the e-class of Deepal School, Baripada. I, Tapas, sir, today going to teach class 4 students moral science. Lesson number 6, In Search of Water. This lesson is in your second unit test course. So, children, my request to you, please listen to me attentively so that you can understand the story. Radha is very tired. She said, so she decided to sleep early. Radha, good night, mother. Good night, Radha. Radha goes off to sleep. In her sleep, she has a dream. A spaceship lands on her terrace. Radha hears the loud whirring sound of the spaceship. She goes to the terrace. She sees a large creature standing near the spaceship. Radha, who are you? What is this creature? I am Orion, and this is my spaceship. I have come from a distant planet. I need water. Will you help me find pure water? This story begins with Radha. She was very tired. She told her mother, Mummy, good night. I am going to sleep. Radha goes off to sleep. In her sleep, she has a dream. While she was sleeping, she had a dream. In her dream, she saw a huge spaceship. Spaceship means the ship, a type of uh, flying spacecraft which generally the other planet people use. They are called to go from one planet to another. This is called spaceship. So in her dream, she saw a spaceship, and that spaceship landed on the terrace. So when she went to the terrace, she saw a huge creature was standing beside a spaceship. The Radha asked to that creature that, what is your name or who are you? She told, I am Orion. I came with this spaceship to your house. I came from a distance from other planet. That creature has come to Earth. She has come from other planet because that creature needs water to drink. He came in search of water. Radha takes Orion to a lake. There, Orion, this water is useless for me. It is so dirty. People have polluted it with soap and dirt. Radha, oh yes, let's go to the river. It will have pure water for you, for sure. They go to the river. Now Radha took the spaceship creature or the Orion to a place where there was water, but water was very polluted because people have used soap and dirt to clean their clothes. In that water, the water has become dirty. The Radha told, then let us go to a river. There you can have fresh water or pure water. They go to a river. Orion, this is also not pure. Look at those factories. They dump their waste and chemical in the river water. Radha, let's go find a well. They reach to a well. Radha, so this too is impure. What do we do now? Now Radha told, let us go to a river. There also Orion told, you see, this river water is full of waste of factories which are around the river. They dump their chemical waste into this river water. The water has become polluted. It is of no use. Radha told, let us go to a well. I am sure you will get pure water from there. Then they went to a well. They found well water also impure, full of dirt. Orion, yes, it is. The chemical filled water from river and lake seep into the well. It smells of manure and insecticide. The well water got polluted because the water which was thrown away or sipped from the factory into the ground, shipped into the ground. The wastewater or chemical water which came from the factory shipped into the ground, that went into the what well, and made the water well water polluted. Now the well water is smelling with insecticide, smelling insecticide and manure, because all the chemical which were coming out of the factories went into the ground and mixed with the river, well water. Rather, can this water ever be clean? Or it can be. Big machine have to be used to purify water from lake and river. This water can then be carried to homes, offices and factories through taps. So rather, this means a lot of hard work and time is needed to clean water. Wonder if we will ever get clean water. Or you can, by using water carefully and by keeping it clean. All living things need water to live. Earth is the only planet that has water. Each one of you must try to keep it clean. Now when they found the well water fully impure, full of darts, smelling foul smell, smell of manure and insecticide, they discussed with each other. Orion and Radha discussed with each other that how we can clean this water, whether they can be clean or not. Orion told, easily you can clean, but it needs some huge machines to clean this water. Then only they can be transferred to for domestic purpose as well as for commercial purpose to different factories, different offices. So Radha told it will take a lot of time and hard work to clean the water. Orion said, yes, we can clean it, or you can clean it, or you people of earth can clean this, because water only found in earth, not in any other planet of this universe. So you should take care of this water very much, because water is life. Without water, no living thing can survive in this earth. So you human beings should take care of this water. Then Orion says, Orion, I think I will get clean water only in Antarctica. Rather, Antarctica, you mean that cold continent? You must be joking. Orion, no, I am not. The water there is clean, because very few humans live there. Rather, but I can't go to the Antarctica every time. I also need clean water. Rather, Orion are back on the terrace. Orion, that's why you should learn to save water and keep it clean. Rather, you are right, Orion. Bye. Then Orion told to Radha that let me go to Antarctica, a continent where the Antarctica continent is full of ice or snow. There I can get my clean water, because Antarctica is a white continent, because very few people are found there, and so the water is very clean there. Then Radha told, how I can go to Antarctica, it is too far from here. I need clean water every day. So I will try my best to clean water which is in our area, and I will tell every people to take care of water. Then the Orion, that's why you should learn to save water. Then Orion told that you people or you human beings should learn the best way to use water and how to keep water clean. Radha told, you are right, Orion. Then she bid goodbye to Orion that you taught me a good lesson how to take care of water, how to keep it clean, so that in future we will not suffer to get drinking water, clean drinking water in our life. So this is a very good lesson for Radha from that creature of other planet, Orion. Next morning, Radha gets up late. She recalls her dream and says to herself, Orion has taught me an important lesson. I promise I will not be careless with water anymore. I will save every drop and talk to my friend about keeping water clean. I am sure we can do our bit to save water. Yes, we can. Now, next morning when she got up, she knew that she was dreaming, but in the dream also she got a lesson from a creature who was not from her planet, but the creature gave him a good lesson that you should take care of water, and she promised that not only she will take care of water to keep the water clean, but rather she will help other, or she will teach other to use the water in best possible way and how to keep the water clean, so that in future the new other future the next generation will not suffer to get clean water, clean drinking water. Thank you, children. The moral of the story: save water. Water is very precious. So you can see from this story that we should know the best way to use water, and then the most important thing, how we can save water for our future generation. So because water is very precious, very costly, you cannot get drinking water even though you have money, because a time will come everywhere there will be polluted water. To save water from being get polluted, we should know the importance of water, and we should save water and purify it. Thanks for listening. Goodbye till we meet again with another story. Bye bye.